I have known Interroll all my life.
50 years ago, the Interroll Group began its journey with the foundation of Interroll ESPAñA S.A. From the very start, our dedicated team made the difference and has been the driving force behind our success. We invite you to meet some of our exceptional people, learn about our customers, and enjoy some unique moments. Times change and preferences evolve, but high quality, speed, and simplicity never run out of style. Those are the promises of Interroll. We are proud that Zaha and many other leading Spanish companies trust us, relying on our solutions and services to drive their business operations every day.
We at OLMA have been working with Interroll since the 1990s. Interroll has always been a good partner along the way, and we have been working together for so many years. I have been with the company for 35 years. During all these years, with all that training and experience has given me, and apart from the good atmosphere and the fact that we are all at ease, I have learned that the most important thing here is the customer.
In 2002-2003, centers of excellence were established in Germany, Switzerland, France, and Denmark. Interroll became one of the first companies in Spain to offer a professional after-sales and repair service for the logistics sector.
Are there suppliers of transport systems worldwide? Lots of them, but the one I like the most, and I say it because I feel like saying it, is still Interroll. And technologically, your solutions, your material, your equipment seem to me to be the best in the world, from what I got to know.
Success comes with motivation and commitment. These are the essential ingredients. The rest is simply the right recipe.
ADM was born 12 years ago. At that point, we had to decide with which partners we would embark on this adventure. We decided we want to work with the best in each sector.
In 2014, Interroll España starts its commercial activity in Portugal. The market for material handling is growing, and with it, our customers' base. We commit to fulfill our customers' promises in Portugal and in South America.
In general, I believe that Interroll's values can be seen in the hard work, professionalism, correct treatment of the customer, and, above all, in the fellowship. Because for us, Interroll is not a mere supplier. It is a very important partner, which has enabled us, from the beginning until now, to advance and improve in the transportation and movement of products, boxes, and elements.
Sustainability is our mission. Inspired by our customers and driven by teamwork, our team has once again shown true leadership.
You know, when someone on the team detects something that needs to be improved, not for him or for that single person, something that does not involve only his department, but is a common good for everyone, that makes me feel that my work makes sense, that the work we are doing, our day-to-day task, has a meaning. And this kind of gratification occurs quite often. Over the years, the company has changed. It has evolved, always for the better. And we employees have grown along with the company. And, well, I'm proud to work at Interroll.
Y, bueno, me siento orgullosa de trabajar en Interroll.
Today, Interroll celebrates its 50th anniversary in Spain. We continue to evolve and are looking forward to serve you in the future. Thank you very much.